Introduce yourself. Why are you here? What are you doing here?
I'm here for the food.
Today I want to talk about.
Wait, why are you here first?
Introduce yourself.
Why are you here?
Why are you here? I'm here.
Introduce yourself. Name.
Jiko
Because
Shokai.
I want to study English and I want to work with foreign engineers. So then I applied for an internship to Prague.
Always so far.
You're doing good. You're doing good.
Okay.
Okay.
I have talked about Ruby surroundings with Ruby people and Ruby products in Japan. Here is outline include two topics: Ruby communities and Rails products in Japan. Self-introduction. My name is Daiki. My handle is Daiki or Itsuki. I'm a Ruby and Rails programmer. I'm a freelancer. So I'm from Japan. Japan is Ruby's home country.
Yes.
And I'm a member of Geek House Mosumiyoshi. It's in Kanagawa Prefecture next to Tokyo. Geek House is share house for geeks. It's also community. Geek House is now there are more than 10 houses in Japan. Like this. But it's an extreme example. Here is
It's really a house,
my own share house, working space or doing something. We live together with 8 people. And my current one is an internship at Prague. Awesome product. I'm using Rails 4 and MongoDB, and it will be coming soon to open source. Yeah. Don't miss it. Okay. First off, Ruby communities. Ruby communities in Japan. There are over 30 communities in Japan. The density in Tokyo, only in Tokyo there are over 10 communities. One community on one world, like Shibuya, Total-B, Shinjuku RB, Meguro RB, Ginza RB, like that. I want to introduce two kind of events, meetups and regional Ruby Kai by Ruby community. Meetups, I want to introduce 3 communities that I've joined last night. Asakusa Total-B. It's held every Tuesday. Asakusa Total-B is the most active and continuous and the strongest community in Japan because they have a lot of Ruby communities and Akira Matsuda. They are usually coding something or meeting about Ruby or amending their gems, Kaminari or action tags. Next, P4D means programming for designers. It's held every other week. Programmers teach programming for designer, and designer teach design for programmer. Wow, it's interesting. Next, Sendaka Dotabi. It's a young community, but they have every Monday, and they are listening to Ruby 5 podcast and discuss about it and reading race committee score.
Oh, you know,
Parang book club eh.
Regional Rubikai. Regional Rubikai means conference by regional community. Now, on average, there are every other month one regional Rubikai. This year, for example, I want to introduce. The first one is Tokyo Rubikai 10. It's held in this January, and 400 attendees. There are over 30 talks, about 50 minutes. The concept is open for new talkers, so we can listen out of kind of topic. And there are also workshops about agile development or design. And the interesting thing is Kuro Rubikai. Kuro means dark. So there are talk about darkness of Ruby development. For example, one of the interesting title is RM-RF spec directory. Do you understand? Yeah. They mean they don't want testing for agile development, so they remove spec directory. Next, OL Rubikai 03. OL Rubikai held in this March, 180 attendees. It's an anniversary event by Asakusa.Ruby. 4 main talks and 9 short talks. And the upcoming event is here: Tokyo Rubikai 06, Kansai Rubikai 05, and Okinawa Rubikai 01. Tokyo means railway company based on Tokyo. So it's not no strict rule of naming the Rubikai. So it uses the railway company name. And Kansai means west side of Japan, include Osaka or Tokyo. Osaka, Kyoto. And Okinawa is the southern area of Japan. Maybe Mats will be attend this event. Next, various products in Japan. I mentioned about those 4 products: Cookpad, Heater, All My Classes, Hatsushi, Publishing. Cookpad is recipe site, 20 million unique users per month.
wow.
1 million recipes. It's on presentation by Miyaki-san on this Rubikai, so you can check it. Cookpad, even though it's huge up, but it's running with Edge environment, Ruby 2.0 and Rails 3.2. And when Rails 4 will be released, they will be upgraded to Rails 4 soon. And Cookpad also provides some gems for testing in production environment. Django is prototyping framework, so you can try a new feature on production server easily. Kage is shadow proxy server. It means the request you can duplicate the request to staging server or any server. So you can check the other environment. And AR proxy is proxy for active record. It's easy to analyze SQL. Next, Kita. Kita is a social platform focused on programming. The user can follow tag for users and can stock their favorite posts. And the post author can get feedback from users. And Kita provides other application named Kobito. It's a client application supports Markdown, and you can share by one click. Here is Kobito. Real-time prediction.
Pumasok.
And you can easily publish on the web. Next, online classes. Online classes is e-commerce site specified classes. They have features free shipping and free return, and they have over 2,500 classes and over 1,000 real store support. They use free gem, e-commerce gem with Brave. The main developer give a presentation last year, Ruby guide, so it's also you can check. And Omega is making full use of AWS, which is RDS, SES. Next, Hatachi Publishing. Hatachi Publishing is ebook store made by Waves. CEO Masayoshi Takahashi, he's chief director of Ruby no Kai. Ruby no Kai means Japanese Ruby Association. He said, I want to know new modern tech as soon as possible. So that's why I made the site by myself. It supports EPUB and PDF, and it means the customer can update their book. and they it use PayPal purchase. Best sellers are working with unique processes and shelf store for business. English for application. For Japanese. Maybe now it will be Japanese. But if you are interested, you can check it. So that's all. So I'm looking forward to Philippine products to see in Japan.
All right.
Questions?
Questions.
Please know Maria Osawa already.
They've already asked.
That's Maria Osawa.
Questions, guys.
You know Maria Osawa?
Just a little bit now. Video anyway.
That's okay.
I want to ask you, do you know Maria Osawa?
We wish.
You don't watch that. That's a me.
No questions?
No questions.
Go back to eating.
Okay.
What's the ratio? Let's say how many? Let's say do you have of course you have PHP developers in Japan, right? Or Java developers. How big, let's say, the Ruby community is versus other camps?
Maybe the Ruby community is the biggest in Japan.
Bigger?
Yeah.
Biggest.
Only community, not the developer numbers. Even though PHP has a lot of developer, but
Community-wise.
community-wide is the biggest.
What do you think of Ruby in the future?
In the future. Will not be like Perl. So will be available in the future.
Alright, good to hear that we have a future.
That's a question related to mostly communities rather than Ruby. How many is a typical attendee for a meetup in how many people attend a meetup?
Attend meetup. Depends on community, but on average, 20 people.
Just like this.
Yeah.
What do you guys do like meetups?
And
Do you drink beer or?
not so very. Morning quiet.
That's good to hear.
Another question is, are the prefectures really that far from each other that there's a need for individual groups for each prefecture?
Individual community.
Yeah, you said that each prefecture had their own
Yeah.
community. So
But they go to each other communities and communicate with each other.
so they visit each other's meetups.
Yeah.
Good.
Questions?
Question. Who already used Rails 4 in work, at work?
Alright.
So now show me.
That's 4 for the win.
How about Ruby 2.0?
That's easy. That's easy.
Production or?
Production.
Production.
Production pa rin naman niya.
I can't install it so well, so.
Don't make the test na.
So production. What else? Do you have questions for us?
Who else wants to talk here? No.